Welcome to the Tactica Soccer YouTube channel. This video shows you how to personalize your team or squad. This feature is only available in the premium version of Tactica, which you can upgrade to by selecting the basket icon in the top right corner of the app. To personalize your team or squad, make sure that the team menu button is visible on the left-hand side of the chalkboard and select Configure on the team you wish to work with. We're going to choose Team A. Now you can edit one of the preloaded teams or create a new one to individualize your drills, plays and sessions. We're going to choose a new team. To input or change the name of the team, select the default team name and type in the new name. You can also add the name of your team's manager if you wish, in the same way. The players in the on-field list on the left are those players that are already on the pitch. The players in the off-field list on the right are players who are in the squad but not yet on the pitch. To input or change the number of a player, select the box under number that corresponds to that player and type in the new number. This is the number that will appear on the player on the pitch. Note that the numbers can be turned on or off in the Hide Show Preferences configuration, but are on by default. Also note that only numbers 0 to 99 are allowed. To input or change the name of a player, select the box under Name that corresponds to that player and type in the new name. This is the name that will appear under the player on the pitch if that player is selected. Note again that names can be turned on or off in the Hide Show Preferences configuration, but are on by default, and it might be worth keeping the names shorter by using surnames only. You can input the player's position by selecting the box under Position that corresponds with that player. A drop-down list appears for you to choose from. Here, if we wanted to make the player a midfield defender, and you note the players on the pitch at the bottom of the screen, number 99 has now turned blue. If we were to change him GK back to a goalkeeper, we notice that his kit has turned back to the goalkeeper's kit for that team. This is especially useful when setting up formations, as the selection of position will be taken into account. You can also update your team details by inputting each player's match appearances, goals scored, and assists made. This is done by selecting the box you wish to change and inputting the data on the keyboard. By selecting the notes icon at the end of the player's line, you're able to input notes for each player individually. This could be medical data, contact details, disciplinary records, or anything else that you wish to keep to hand. Here, we're going to put that this player is a diabetic. When you've finished inputting and editing your team, it's time to save it. Selecting Save in the top left corner will overwrite over the team with that same name, while Save As will save your team as a new entry in the Team Selection menu. You can delete a team permanently by selecting the Delete Team button in the top right corner. But be careful, as this will permanently delete the team in all of the drills in which it is featured. So we're going to click No. To delete a single player or players, select the white box to the far left of the player so it is checked with a black cross. Here you notice in the off-field list there's two number 18s, so we're going to delete one of them. Then we select Delete Selected in the top right corner. And again, note if this player is used in any other drills, those details in those drills will be erased. But we're going to click OK here. To delete the whole of the players, either on-field or off-field, select the white box at the top of the white boxes, so that all the boxes under it are checked with black crosses. Then we can click again Delete Selected, But be careful again that any players used in the other drills, their details will be erased. So we're going to click Cancel. Thanks for watching this video. Have fun personalizing your team or squad, and why not check out our other videos on the Tactica Soccer YouTube channel.